I'm Filipino, so that spaghetti was always a little sweet. But I'm into that. Y'all ever had Jollibee? Y'all ever had Jollibee? Alright, if you never had Jollibee, go to Jollibee, get the spaghetti. Get you a chicken joy as well, because that fried chicken slap. And eat it with the rice. With the rice. Fried chicken and white rice, if you never did that, you're not living, bro. Telling you. That Malaysian fusion slap. OD. Alright. You ready to go? Alright, cool, let's go. Mom's spaghetti.